Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How are you all?
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good morning,
beta.
Mrs.
Good morning to all of you. How are you all? Fine.
Yes, fine.
Yes.
I'm fine. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you. Okay. So let's begin our class today. Let me know if there is any new admission in this class. Okay, so that means there is no new admission.
Ma'am.
Yes. There are new admissions. It's Arav Singh and Aviral Bhardwaj. Anybody else? No. Okay. So let me just prepare the French students list. All of you will call out your names. Okay, starting with Arav Singh. All of you are French students? First of all, please let me confirm. All of you are from French side. Is there any Sanskrit student here? Okay. Let's start with Arav Singh. Next. Children, please start speaking your name. Let me make the list.
Ma'am, Aviral Bhardwaj.
Aviral Bhardwaj. Next.
Ma'am, Kavi Kapoor.
Very good. Next.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'm Pranit Kansal.
Okay, Pranit Kansal. Next. Next.
Ma'am, Neha Gangwar.
All right, Neha Gangwar. Next.
Bonjour, madame. Je suis Sarthak Sharma.
Sarthak Sharma. Very nice. Next. Nobody is speaking. Is that all? Prakarsh Khandelwal, what is wrong with you?
I'm Prakash Khandelwal.
Then why are you not calling out your names? Rishit Agarwal, what is wrong?
Ma'am, Kaustubh.
Yes?
Mandar.
Kaustubh. Kaustubh. Then after him, Garg. Darsh.
Darshak.
Darsh Agarwal. Darsh Agarwal, I
Aishya Srivastav.
Darsh Agarwal is a new student here.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then next, Medan Shamar. After Medan Shamar,
Ma'am, Rishit Agarwal.
Rishit Agarwal. Then next,
Ma'am, Aishya Srivastav.
Arshia Srivastav. Beta, are you a new student?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then we have Dhairya Pal. Next, anybody else? Hassan or?
Yes, ma'am. Hassan. Ma'am, I was in last year also.
Yes, I know it.
Yes, ma'am. I also was.
Remember all the old faces. I remember all the old faces. So we have only 3 new students in this class now. Right? Aviral,
Yeah.
Arshia, and who is the third one? Arav Singh. Okay. So these students, the new students, did you have French in class 6? Have you studied?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm talking to the new students.
Yes, ma'am. I have studied. No, ma'am.
Ma'am is asking the new
Kavi
children.
Kapoor, तुम नए बच्चे हो क्या स्कूल में? I'm talking to the new students. I just saw Ashray. Ashray Agarwal, you are also a new student, क्या?
Ma'am, he is from 4th.
Ashray Agarwal is from 4th class.
Ma'am, it is written in his name.
Ashray, beta, please open your camera.
He'll join.
Gone,
And
he's
he is
left.
from 4th class.
Ouch, he has left. Okay, so the new students, please let me know, do you have any idea of French language? Have you studied it before? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, no.
All right, 3 of you are saying no. So let's begin our French class. Okay, let me introduce myself. I am Mrs. Neha Pahava and I will be taking your French subject. Okay, welcome to your French class. So now let's begin with the basics of French. To teach you the basics of French, just let me know if the board is visible to you.
No, ma'am, it is too far.
Okay,
Not very clear.
I'll just stop my video for a minute. Let me change some setting and then I'll get back.
Yes.
Just wait for a second.
Okay. I think now we will again study the basics of French.
Children, is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you read what is
Yes,
written on the board?
Ma'am, it is
Actually, the plug point is too far off from this thing, from the board. So that is why there is a little problem in adjusting it. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
Let's begin our class with the basics today. This class is particularly for the new students and it will be a revision, very easy kind of a revision for the old one. Okay. So, whenever we learn any new language, whenever we people learn any new language, we have to be careful about the structure, the rules, the patterns of any language. Like when we speak English or Hindi, here also in English and Hindi also we follow particular patterns in which our sentences are constructed, in which there are different structures that we match and make sentences. Similarly, in French, we are going to take care of certain rules and regulations. So let's begin our class with articles. Now, you've studied articles in English also. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think it is much better like this. At least I don't have to look down. Fine. So let's begin by learning definite and indefinite articles today. Now, what are definite articles? What is, you've studied in English, what are definite articles? Tell me. Yes, Punita.
Definite articles are
Yes?
that are specific.
Yes. Definite articles are used when we talk about something which is specific. When we talk about something specified, like for example, the girl sitting in the room is my sister. So here the girl is what? We are talking about some particular girl, right? So that is why we use the before that girl, because the girl sitting in the room is my sister. Now, if we are talking about, if we say about indefinite articles. So what is indefinite article? There is a girl under the tree. There is a girl in the park. Now we are not talking about any specified person or any specific thing. What we are doing, we are just saying that there is or there are girls in the park. So are we talking about anything specific? No. So we have to know this difference when we speak, when we learn French language. So to use this definite article, what are definite articles called in French? Les articles définis. Les articles définis. That's the definite articles. Everybody please start writing in your copies so that you can revise it later. These are some basics of French. Put the heading, the basics of French.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, we have to write in rough book.
No, you have to, okay. You are supposed to
We have
make,
to write in rough book.
you are supposed to make one French copy in which you are going to do all the work that I do in the class and of your textbook. We just have to maintain one copy. Is that fine?
Ma'am, inside ruled or
Both side lining, both side ruled.
Okay.
Okay, so the
Ma'am.
topic is
What heading we will put?
basics of French language.
Okay, ma'am.
Les articles definite. Now, what is definite article? Definite article is the in English. We are talking about the. Now, when we use the, we use it in three different forms. Le, la, and le. What is it? It's le, la, and le. Now, all these three words, la, la, and le, mean the. तीनों का मतलब the होता है. But why is that we use it differently? What is the difference between this la, la, and le? See, like Hindi, in Hindi language, when we speak, we have assigned gender to each and every noun that we talk about. Like for example, I say scale. Scale मेरा है. Scale छोटा है, right? तो मेरा है, छोटा है. What is it? What is it showing? That what gender it is? Tell me. Scale is what gender when I talk about it in Hindi?
Masculine.
It's masculine gender.
बड़ा अंग्रेज बन रहा है. Masculine. Simply नहीं. Male. Masculine.
Hassan, what is wrong with you? Okay.
Hassan, your mic is open.
So we call it, we give it in which category? We put it in the masculine category. Suppose I talk about kursi. Kursi rakhi hai. Kursi is what? We are putting it in Feminine category.
Feminine.
But in English, it is not so. In English, all non-living things are treated as one. That is neuter gender. There is no gender for these things, non-living things. But in French, there is a gender of each and everything. Every noun has got a gender. So if I have to say the scale in French, the scale in French is feminine gender. According to French language, it is feminine in gender. So what is a scale called in French? Scale is called règle. R-E-G-L-E. Règle. So if I have to say the scale, I will say la règle. La règle means the scale or ruler. Okay, clear? Now, if I am talking about my pen, a pen in French language it comes under masculine category. Is it fine? It comes under masculine category. And what is a pen called in French? Pen is called stylo. If I want to say the pen is blue. I will start my sentence by le stylo. Is it fine? Le stylo means the pen. And you have to remember this thing. If you say that, ma'am, how will we come to know whether it is masculine or it is feminine? We will never come to know this. We will have to learn it from the beginning. Which noun is what gender? Okay. Hindi mein, we don't need to learn it. Why? Because we've been speaking Hindi from the beginning. It has been very nicely fed in our minds. It is by default gone in our minds. So similarly with French people, it is by default in their brains that which object is what gender. But since we are learning it, we have to learn the gender of each and everything to make correct sentences. Okay? Now, if I want to say the pens or the scales, I will not care about the gender of these objects if I am talking about them in plural. Only when we are talking about them in singular, I have to be careful about the article that I am placing before it. But suppose I am talking about 2-3 pens. I am talking about 2-3 pens. So I want to say the pens. The pens are black. So what will I say? Les stylos. This le changes to lay. Why? Because I'm talking about plural. So le changes to lay and stylo changes to stylo with S in the end. But we do not call it out as stylos. Because there is another rule that consonants that come in the end of any word are not given their sounds. So we call it les stylo. We do not call it les stylos. That becomes wrong.
Ma'am, so can we also say it as lay regale?
No, yes. Now that is what I'm saying. If my object is more than one, I will not care about these articles. I will simply put lay before all masculine things and lay before all feminine things. Okay? Is it clear to all the newcomers?
Yes, ma'am.
It becomes the pens. Now, if I want to say the scales, I will say lay reg and put S in the end. lay, reg. Okay. This was the definite article the. Okay, we spoke about the definite article, which is the. Now let us come to the indefinite articles. Now what are indefinite articles? When we are not talking about anything specific. Fine? So what are they called in French? They are called les articles indéfinis. Fine? Can all of you see it? दिख रहा है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Les articles indefinite. अब indefinite articles English में कौन से होते हैं? They are a, an, few, any, some, like that. अगर हम singular में बात करते हैं तो a girl is there, a boy is there, an apple is there, okay? An aeroplane is flying in the sky. ठीक है? A, and तो हमारा singular denote करते हैं. And अगर बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, like if I want to say, we generally in English do not speak some before anything that is like indefinite. When we talk about anything indefinite, जरूरी नहीं है कि हम some और few लगाएं. Suppose मुझे कहना है, there are apples in the refrigerator. ठीक है? There are apples. तो apples के लिए मैंने बात की, but I would not necessarily say there are some apples in the refrigerator. There are pencils in my box. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे in French, in English we do not use few or some, but in French we have to put the plural of indefinite article. So make this table again. And few, some, or this might even not appear in the sentences. This might not appear. So, what we are going to do, we are again going to make a table of masculine, feminine, and plural. Now, if I want to say a pen, what gender it is? What did we learn? Pen belongs to which gender?
Masculine.
Masculine.
So for masculine, we use a. A means one or a. If I want to say a pen, I will say a table. Is it clear? For feminine,
Yes, ma'am.
we use ion. Ion. So, if I want to say a scale, a ruler, what am I going to say? Reg. Okay? Reg. Similarly, in plural, I would not care about which object is of which gender. I want to say there are pens in my box. So, and ion changes to they. DES. Whether it is masculine or it is feminine, like how here la and la changes to lay. Here we have and ion get changed to they. So I will say they feel or they read. But one thing that we have to be very careful about, when we are changing the article to plural, we also have to add s in the end to our noun to make it plural. ठीक है? ऐसा अगर ऐसा नहीं होता कि हमने आर्टिकल तो चेंज कर दिया बट हमने इसके आगे s नहीं लगाया. If we do so, it becomes wrong and we lose marks. Okay. So if I give you one object to change into plural, will you do it? All of you will do it for me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
new students. The old ones could do it, but I want the new ones to do it. Okay, just change it. Your form. What is form? Form is apple. Even form. What does it become in plural? Tell me.
The form.
Ma'am, a apple. Ma'am, an apple.
अभी तो इसका मतलब तो an apple है. अब आप इसको plural में French में change करो. Neha Gangwar, you are not able to do it.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, use
And there is
form.
form.
No. Beta see, here it is uniform. Uniform means an apple. Now I want you to change it into plural. So what will it become?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, there is form.
Very nice. It will become they form. Now we don't say
These form.
yes.
A form.
We call it they form. Why? Because S is silent in the end. So when we have to change new form to plural, it becomes they. P-O-M-M-E.
Ma'am, we are not able to see what you are writing.
Now is it clear?
No, okay. No, yes, ma'am.
New form changes to they form. But be careful of putting this S in the end.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now if I tell you to change this one. Love. Leave. Leave in French is a book. Change le livre to plural. Aviral Bhardwaj will tell us. Le livre becomes what in plural?
Ma'am, lever.
Les livres. Very nice. It becomes L-E-S. And what will be the spelling of leave? Tell me, Aviral.
Ma'am, what?
What will be the spelling of leave in plural? Just
Ma'am,
speak up.
L-I-V-R-E-S.
Very nice. Wonderful. They leave. Okay. Arav Singh, can I give you one object? Will you be able to change it? Yes. Okay. Now you have to change la gom. La gom into plural. Now what is a gom? Gom is an eraser. Are new students writing the translation also of these objects?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You have to write the translation also because this has been done. A lot has been done in the previous class. Okay, so you have to learn all these objects by heart, their gender by heart and
Ma'am,
everything.
already remember these objects from last year.
Yes, beta, that's because you have done it many times. Okay. Now,
What is
Arav,
livre?
Ma'am, le gomme.
no, Arav, what are you saying, beta? I didn't hear.
Ma'am, le gomme.
Lay gom. And can you please spell out gom?
Ma'am, G-O-M-M-E-S.
Very nice. G-O-M-M-E-S. Wonderful. So I think this table of masculine, feminine, definite articles and masculine, feminine, indefinite articles is clear to all of you.
Ma'am, what is the
Excuse me,
meaning
ma'am.
of gom?
Gom is beta eraser. Eraser, na? That is the gom. Everybody has written everything that is on the board. Shall I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How much time is left? Okay, we are left with 8 minutes. So we will do one more thing today. Okay. Now, since we've done these articles and a few objects with them, I will do the plural of nouns. Now, what is the plural of nouns? It's plurial, Pluriel. Plurial, the noun. That is the plural of nouns. Now, in English also, when we change any object into plural, we
Ma'am, what is the spelling of nose?
what is this plurial?
No, ma'am. The last word.
Nom, N-O-M-S.
Okay, ma'am.
Plurial, the norm. That is plural of nouns. Now, in English also, whenever we change
N-O-M-S.
anything into plural, we apply certain rules to it, isn't it? अगर bird को change करना है तो bird के आगे आपने क्या लगाया? S लगा दिया. It becomes birds. Girl, girls. Boy, boys. Just by adding an S. So similarly, the first rule that goes in French also is. Children, my laptop battery is again going to exhaust very soon. So I have to change my place once again.
N-O-M-S.
Now you've written the heading from there, okay? I'm not writing the heading.
Okay, ma'am.
The first rule that goes with it is by adding S. ठीक है? अभी जैसे हमने किया. What did we do right now? Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. For example, kilo becomes kilos. Form becomes
Form.
form. But remember one thing, it is pronounced in the same way. We do not call it stilos or pons because consonants that fall in the end are never given their sounds. Okay? So the first rule is by adding an S. The second rule is, now what the second rule is, words ending in S, X and Z remain the same in the plural form. Okay, they remain the same. Now what is it? Like for example, I want to say bar. Bar in French is stocking. Stockings. So stockings would become they bar. Bar will remain bar. If I want to say even throughout, so it becomes they throughout. Throughout is a cross. Like they have a tick and a cross. So cross in French is called croix. Eun, croix now eun. We are putting eun. So that means croix is feminine gender. Fine.
Ma'am, what is the ma'am? What is the English word of bar?
Stocking. The stockings that are worn in winters. Ils croient, they croient. Then what is a nose called in French? Nose in French is un nez. Un nez. Yes.
Ma'am, what is strikes?
What?
Ma'am, what is strikes?
Croix is cross. Cross लगाते हैं? Tick and cross in English. So cross is called a croix. Un nez becomes they name. A nose and noses. Noses. Now the last rule that is left is, first write these.
Ma'am, written.
Middle and others also write.
Ma'am, written.
Wait.
Ma'am, written.
Aviral and this one, the new one, where is this? Where is the third student? Arav. Arav has left? No, Arav is there. Okay. Arav, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The third rule that we have is, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The third rule is words that are ending in EU, AU or EAU. बहुत से वर्ड्स होते हैं फ्रेंच में जिनके एंडिंग में ये आता है, ठीक है? So how do we make them? How do we change them into plural? By adding X in the end. What do? We add X in the end.
Words of French in which
Nay. Beta, it's nay, it is a
the
nose.
last of the word.
Nay is a nose. Prakarsh. Written. Now there are words that would end in EU, AU and EAU. Clear? Like for example, fur, F-E-U. Fur is what? Fire. So it becomes they fur. Okay? EAU. We have this word gâteau. What is a gâteau in French? A gâteau in what is a gâteau in French?
One in the
Yes?
Ma'am, cake. Ma'am,
Yes.
cake.
Cake.
Okay.
Cake is gâteau. So it becomes G-A-T-E-A-U-X. Okay?
Gata.
Is that fine? So these are different rules that we have to keep in mind while changing the objects into plural. Okay? I hope you learned something from today's class, new students.
And what is pen?
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Pillow.
Pen.
pen? Pen is stilo. S-T-Y-L-O. Stilo.
Ma'am, pen. Ma'am, F-E-N.
Okay, F-E-U. It's fur. Fur is fire. Fire. Okay? And old students, you had a good revision?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. I member.
That is